An assignment in Google Classroom is posted when you want students to complete some work. This can be found on the classwork page. Click Create Assignment. Give your assignment a title. Provide instructions for your students. You have the option to add resources to the assignment for your students. You can add from your Google Drive, a link to a website, a file on your hard drive, as well as a video on YouTube. If you clicked Google Drive, it defaults to any recent documents that you've been working on. In this case, I want to add the Trends Over Time assignment, and I click Add. It's been added for my students. Right now it's set for Students Can View File. Be sure you change it to make a copy for each student so every student will have their own copy of the Google Doc or Google Slide that you've added to the assignment. You also have the option to add a link to a website. In this case, I want my students to go to this Newsela article. I'm going to copy the URL and paste the link. If you want to add a YouTube video, click Add YouTube. You can either search YouTube or you can get the URL and paste it here. In this case, this is the video I want my students to listen to. It's a reading of Chapter 1 of Esperanza Rising. I click Share, I copy, I come back to the Google Classroom, and I paste the URL. The video shows here, and I click Add. It has now been added to my assignment. You have the option to add this to multiple classrooms if you want, as well as specific students. You can adjust the points here, set a due date, as well as add a topic. This is ELA. I have the option to assign right away, schedule, so I can choose a date and a time, as well as save it as a draft. When you save it as a draft, you will see it is listed in gray, as well as has the word draft on it. You can click Edit and assign right away. This assignment has now been posted for my students. I can see all of the resources and how many students it's been assigned to.